Okay.
What's going on, you guys? Christ Nation.
You got the worm still?
Yeah, a little bit of them.
Oh, look what I just fucking did.
Hey.
Thank you.
Ain't no way. You way up there, too. RJ,
Oh, you got caught.
I need you to come climb this tree, gang.
Oh my gosh. He got it stuck in the tree.
God, man.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, he got it stuck in the tree.
Did
That
you
was
bring me a
like-
worm?
Gosh.
Yep, we are. Corbin just got one. No, he didn't. I lied, he grabbed
Worm?
Worm?
Can't catch no fish.
There's a whole one on there. They like whole ones. They can't barely smell them half ones.
Doesn't mean it hasn't caught no fish.
That's why I fish with worms. I ain't gonna lie. It
No, I
takes
ain't
longer,
worm.
yeah. You can prove that you're a good fisherman by fishing with no
Corbin
line.
caught one. RJ,
You got one?
Corbin got one.
He got one. I'll put the worm right here.
Put it up.
Hold it up. Oh, he's trying to unhook it.
Okay, well, he got one.
He got one.
Wait, that's a whole.
That is a whole worm.
That's a whole worm.
Yeah. Put two on there. You might get a bigger one.
We want to fish a different spot.
Okay.
Should I? No.
No, I think this is a good spot.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna put the worm back in there.
All right, bet.
Nowhere near the y'all, bro. I watch, I'm gonna catch one. Another one? They got another one.
Oh, he got another one, y'all.
You got bluegill again? Look at that. They took that one.
Yeah, they did, didn't they?
I want a kayak to get in there. Yeah, big bro, you pick up a phone? No.
Got him.
Got him, got him.
Got him.
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Got him. Got him.
Get him,
Got him.
get him.
Got him.
Oh, that one's so
Let's
pretty.
go.
Oh, I love that one.
Let's go. That's a bluegill.
That's a bluegill?
I
Those
think.
are pretty.
I think so.
Let me see it. Look, fam. Heck yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on.
What's going on? That's Christ Nation. You about to hit one. Got 60 recording.
Okay.
Wait, since you could low-key, post it up right there. So you ain't gotta hold. Right there on the white thing. Oh, I'm on, Phil. I'm on. Oh, it's a monster.
Get it. Woo!
Oh,
Get it.
oh, oh.
Get it.
I
Heck
got
yeah.
him.
Wow, that
Let's
was huge.
go.
Hold up, I gotta get a picture of it.
Let's
Let me turn the video
go.
off. Hang on, let me get your picture with it. Get it.
Oh, drop on that deck and fall like
Here, hold it up.
Hold on.
Hey, I'm gonna have to put some more line on my pole.
Let's go.
Is the line in the car? We don't have any. You just used it all.
He said, we don't have any. You used it all. All right, I'm gonna stop recording now that you caught that one.
Wait. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Before you saw.
All right, I'm gonna set the camera back up. Okay. All right, I'm gonna cast it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Okay. That's too early. If you're gonna do that, you need to flip the thing before you touch the wire like that. Then grab the wire, yeah. Here, reel him up. Pull it up.
Probably need a worm.
Good. Hold the wire. Yes, sir. You better catch one. You better catch one. Come on. Oh man, that's massive. That's massive. Ooh. Hold that bad boy.
Hold on. She's pregnant, I think. Yeah, hold him just like that.
Ooh.
Somebody, I want to get a picture of me. Hold him just like that. Here, let's go.
They want food, man. Yeah.
I was trying this, but I don't know.
Can I cast it for you?
Yeah,
Or you want to do it?
No, cast this one. It's fine.
You got this one,
Right
Joe?
in the car?
No,
No, it's in there on the side.
RJ, I caught him a fish.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh, I was about on it again. Hold on.
When you pull that line, man, you block this, RJ? I think
gotta
you
take your
yeah,
fish.
he took it, yeah.
Oh, he
yeah.
took it.
They're biting hard, Phil.
Block this one. Hey, let me throw that.
Are you okay?
No, we both got one in.
You need another worm? You need a worm?
Yeah. Ooh,
How many was it? About 3? 2?
Worming it.
that was a good 3.
About 2?
2.5 maybe.
1.5?
He said 1.5. No, that's a good 2, Phil.
Where was that one?
He went underneath the dog. I don't want to eat it. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Christ Nation don't play. Again,
I'm ready to do this.
this is my sister Jordan catching one of her first fish in a long time.
A really long time since I was like 6.
We're out here in Cleveland, Tennessee.
Cleveland. Yeah, make sure it's on there really
That's
good.
what I'm saying. Well, I'm tripping.
I don't know, it might, if it dangles.
Look at all that gush.
Ew, it's nasty. Alright, I
Yeah,
think
that's
he'll
good.
be okay.
That's
like
good
that.
right there. I like to leave them hanging because they see it moving in the water.
Alright, I'm good. I'll cast
You,
it.
you'll cast it?
I'll cast it. this
Okay.
time.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, good.
Hey, RJ, you trying to help me tie this
Go right out there to the pier.
Yep.
Huh?
You trying to help me tie this piece?
Tie it. I want to make sure she gets it casted first.
Well, I'll bring it to you.
Wait.
Yep, I see it.
Hey, where's that green
There we
baby?
go.
Is it right there?
Now keep it lifted high.
No, I'm talking about mine over there. That's 10 or
Now wear it back and you cast.
Oh, does it, do I flip it?
Yeah, you flip it. Don't hold the line yet. No. Yeah.
I got it.
And then let go of the line.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I was gonna want to hit
You're
you.
good. Go ahead.
Are you help me tie this fool?
Now clamp it.
RJ, you did good in the
Go.
water.
Oh, you missed it. They're biting fast. Come on, you guys see they bite fast.
Hang on. I gotta flip it.
No, you don't flip
You
it.
don't flip it?
No, real.
Why is it not reeling?
Flip it. You're reeling stuff the wrong way.
Oh, you reeling.
You're gonna break the line now.
Oops, my bad.
Now look how much they done took.
Crap. Okay. There's still a little bit. Okay, let me try again.
They need a whole one. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh, I got one.
Pull it. Pull it. Keep reeling. Let's go. Fish on.
Oh God, it's heavy.
Fish on.
It's heavy, bruh.
Now wait for them to quit flapping.
Yep.
Hey, they're biting.
They bite?
No, like they're biting.
Oh, I was like, they bite?
Oh.
You need help?
No, I got him. Yeah, she got him right there on the lip.
RJ's a real fisherman.
I got him.
Bro,
him.
come
Grab him.
on, dude.
Grab him.
Hold on.
Put your finger in there.
I am. Shut up.
There you go.
My
You
bad.
got it?
I'm sorry.
How
No,
do
you
hold it?
good.
Just like that?
Yeah.
I can hold it.
See when these things get it? I'm about to get in for you.
We hold this, please. On this side.
I'm kind of scared.
You got him deep, sis.
I'm sorry. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's good. He's hurting though.
Keep going.
I got him good.
You got him good.
I tried to pull him. He's heavy.
Whoa!
No.
Fudge!
No, grab him.
Come here, fam. I'm gonna need help with this one. Oh my God, it's getting tighter too, fam. Yeah, he's hurting. You got him good.
I didn't mean to.
He is hurting, fam. That's right there on his lip or get it. At least let her hold her and get a picture before you got to throw him back in. Christ Nation fishing. Come on, no. Come on, no.
Corey, come help me. I'm gonna try to rip his
Look
mouth
at that.
out.
That was pretty.
I gotta hurry up. Get him up.
Yeah.
Drop him. Let him go.
Don't drop him. Don't let him go. She needs to hold him before we do it. And fish.
First fish I caught in 12 years.
12 years.
He's gonna be hurting.
I
He
haven't
ain't
fished
gonna
in
bite for a
Pick that
minute.
line up, Jay. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, hurry now.
He ain't gonna die. They can sit out the water for like about 10, 20
Yeah, you're right. I know.
He good. That's his problem for biting it up.
Bro, what the fuck?
Hey, that's a good fish.
Hey.
though.
Language.
That's
Sorry.
a real good fish.
I didn't know he was recording or whatever. Bro, I about got him.
Wait, quit going back in.
I'm trying to come out of it, you see?
Oh, watch your phone.
What are you doing that for? Giving him more water?
You gotta let him breathe a little bit.
All right.
Oxygen.
There you go. Wait.
See how it just keeps coming out? And
Yeah, you're gonna have to pull it this way. Let me see the hook. Smile harder. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, look, you put it. You give me a
Deep.
Got it. Wow.